Hello everybody, this is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, 35mm reversal film on desert. Well, I have this image, and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. And this is my subject today. Pretty nice pencil drawing type image, isn't it? And really simple composition, just straight shot. But her expression is pretty nice, huh? Well, let's get started. What kind of image is gonna be? I don't know. In this Fresco, well, I want to try some watercolor background textures, maybe. But first of all, I'm gonna check this pencil drawing type image. Let's see how it's gonna look like. Well, dark color burn. Pretty interesting. Color dodge. Very interesting, isn't it? Yellow hair and blue dress. Costume. Overlay. Nice contrast. Vivid light. If I'm gonna finish up like illustration, I may use this kind of colors and stuff. Let's see what else we have. Alright, luminosity. We have interesting colors. Okay, I'm gonna get this, save as a one layer. Okay, select multiple, 1, 2, then duplicate layers. Then I'm gonna merge selected to get this image. Then I'm going to duplicate this layer again. Then one over the top, change blend mode to multiply to get more darker color. And we also have some grains, huh? Well. Okay, just merge down. Now maybe we can use as a base color, base image on this illustration image, huh? Let's see. Well, let me try it. Duplicate this original image. Then okay, I'm gonna move this one down all the way bottom. Then let's see. Okay, I just moved this luminosity effect layer very bottom, and well, let me see. I'm gonna bring this blend mode, bring back to normal. Then just turn it off to keep it pencil drawing type image. Then original image, turn it off to keep it. One is, then the other one I'm gonna change just opacity 50% to see this luminosity effect layer. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add color first. So move this empty layer over this illustration. Look, luminosity effect layer. Then I'm gonna add on this layer with, well, just add colors. So I'm gonna select basic to soft round opacity. Yeah, let's add color first. Now pick some nice skin tone. Okay, and dress, color of this dress. Okay, I'm gonna move this original image. This is 100%, so just move down all the way bottom to keep it. Then when you see this halftone original image, we're gonna the light is coming from left side from her, the sunset light, I think. So I'm gonna add color on this layer, more yellowish. So just nice color from sunlight, sunset light, huh? Okay, pick some yellowish, more orange, huh? Okay, and the dress. Alright, now I'm going to change this blend mode. No more two color. Let's see. It doesn't show much, huh? Okay, then turn on this original image on bottom. Turn it on, then change the blend mode on this luminosity effect layer. Let's see what makes more effective. Kind of pin light is interesting. And also this halftone original image. Let me see. Turn it on. Again, change the blend mode to overlay 50%. Pretty much interesting. Yeah, let me see. Overlay 50% on this original image, and this is color layer. Then this is luminosity effect layer, pin light 60%. Yeah, interesting. How about move this color layer over this original image? It changed some color, yeah. Goes a little more dark. Okay, now I want to see this pencil drawing type image. Now go to darken. Now it's pencil drawing type image divide. Lighten up some pencil drawing type image, which is dark. Yeah, lines a little bit thinner. Make it thinner image. Yeah, okay, leave it this way. Divide 50, maybe 60. Lighten up just a touch more. Okay, just leave it about 60 on this pencil drawing type image. Then this is color layer. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is add more color to get more deep colors. It's still nice colors though. Yeah. Well, one more thing, I want to add some watercolor image on background. Let's see. So, okay, add one more layer for watercolor. Now use watercolor brush. Okay, go for watercolor wash flat first. Nice blue, largest size, and water flow 100. Okay, now. Okay, change brush, watercolor wash soft. Change the color to a little bit greener. Add some magenta. Okay, change brush to watercolor 1 detail. Then this color. How about mountain? Now I'm gonna make mask. Okay, on this color, watercolor layer, create empty mask. Well, soft round, size flow. Okay, I'm gonna add one more layer, then I'm gonna pick some white, align this layer with white pixel. Then create empty mask. Now I'm gonna reveal this mixer brush, Monet mixer. Well, is it interesting? Okay, now one thing. Okay, I'm gonna touch up all the layers. Now I'm gonna add, let's see, brushes, watercolor, one detail. Okay, just leave it. We see some grains type models face and stuff that's come from, well, let's see, smudge tool to don't need any texture, so basic to soft round, maybe it'll work. Smooth out. Okay, what else? Well, maybe I can add some painting or, let's see, dry media to rough pencil, scratchy pencil. Let's see. Okay, add one more layer. Then draw here. Won't show much. How about move all over? Shows a little bit. Change brush to rough pencil. Okay, and what else? About this watercolor texture though. Well, just leave it this one. Okay, from here. Now this is my original shot. And well, first of all, I got Luminosity Effect layer on this original image. This is Luminosity Effect layer, change the blend mode to pin light. And opacity go down to 60%. Well, this is pretty interesting image, isn't it? I kind of like this one. Maybe not this, but this time I changed to opacity 60%. Then I add some skin colors. This is, I painted color to a little bit more saturated color. Then I add, this one is original image, again lighten up. This one is change overlay to lighten up the original image. Opacity 50% overlay. Then add, well, this is a white layer mask. I add white layer, then hide this much. This is a white layer mask. Then I add background watercolor image. This one. Well, just watercolor textures on it. Then I add pencil drawing type image. Change blend mode to divide. Opacity 60%. To lighten up some pencil drawing type image. This one. Shows a little more lighter image on a model's face. And last one. I just add hair texture on this. That's about it. Well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work. And I really appreciate for you guys' support. By the way, I decided to use pin light, luminosity effect 60%, but let's see, turn up maybe 80 or more, 90. Goes to much more illustration type image. So maybe I'm gonna use 75%. Even though 70 is fine. Well, you can decide whatever you like. That's one thing. Leave the layers just the way it is, then open it up the other soft to change your effect. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.